Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome to the video. Today we are working on the Lexus again, and what I've got here are some modified knuckles from Xcessive manufacturing, along with some GS300 outer tie rods and some extended inner tie rods. So today we got the boy Colin over here. He's gonna, there's his car right there. Whoop. He's gonna help me install these today, and so we're gonna take off all the old suspension. I gotta change my ball joints anyways, so replacing all these, and yeah, so we're gonna install the knuckles, ball joints, and the outer tie rods. These are both extended inner tie rods and extended outer tie rods, but because I'm on stock lower control arms, I just want to use, whoa, those birds. I just want to use the outer tie rods. So yeah, let's get on started. So with this angle kit from Xcessive, they give you the option to buy the ball joints pre-cut, because you have to cut the ball joints right here in order to fit the tie rod, because the tie rod's going to be like that, and when it's all the way through it'll rub right here. So as you can see on this one, Colin has, like, they didn't cut it, let me get the camera to focus. They didn't cut it all the way perfectly, so I gotta like notch off that part right there. This one they did a little bit more smooth.
It's still probably a little bit more.
I might have to, yeah, grind it down a bit, but yeah, you have to do that in order for the tie rod to clear it properly. But it's cool they give you the option to buy the ball joints from them pre-cut for the most part, and get new tie rods.
How to rush out your orders, I'm sure. It's fine.
So we already got the car on jack stands and we got the wheels off, and pretty much what we're gonna be working with here, we're gonna have to remove the lower ball joint and the tie rod, which is on the other side. I'll show you. And the tie rod, which is right here. So at the very least we have to remove those. After a quick run to Harbor Freight, we got ourselves a floppy disk because we didn't have one of those here. I thought I did. And we're gonna grind down these ends of the ball joints, make them as smooth and have as much clearance as possible. Alright, so as you can see, a result of the floppy disk, it's nice and ground up right there. So now when you put the outer tie rod in, I can't really do this with one hand, but you can see it has like all the clearance in the world now. So now it's perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna just spray some spray paint over that, just so it doesn't rust while it's there. And yeah, so then we're gonna put it all together and then we can slap it in the car, and I'll show you that process next. Oh my god. So I just threw a little bit of paint on those guys right there, and then I'll show you what we're looking at over here. So there's where the ball joint's gonna go. Wait, sorry. The ball joint will go right here, along with the modified angle. Alexa, shut up! And then obviously right down here dangling is the outer tie rod, so we still got to take that off so we can screw on the new outer tie rod. You can see we got the knuckle in there, the ball joint, and the new tie rod. Looking good, boys, looking good. So right now we're gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna figure out how we're gonna line this bitch. All right, so we ran into an issue. We were working on the other side of the car, and this is what it looks like now. There's nothing here now, because pretty much what happened, what? Oh yeah. To get the ball joint out, we were separating it from, you have to take it off the spindle and you have to separate it from the lower control arm. So we were trying to take the ball joint off the spindle, and one of the bolts decided to snap on us. So
when you snap it in the spindle, all that you get left is a shit ton of threads you can't do anything with.
So here's where the one that came out was, and the other one's just jammed right in there.
And it's like welded. It's like friction welded.
Yeah,
so we're gonna try to get it off. But
if not, we're gonna buy like the whole spindle kit off eBay. So we'll see what we can do. All right, so we're back, and what I ended up having to do is I bought a spindle and a hub off eBay from a guy named Dane. Thank you, Dane, if you're watching this. You saved my life, like, I mean it. And here's the old one with the whole old ball joints and all that other junk. And yeah, so we just threw it on, slapped it all together just like the other side, and then we have not aligned the car yet, so I can't really drive it. But yeah, that's the angle mods. They're on now. So I'll show you what they look like right now. So yeah, that's what it looks like with the wheel fully turned both ways, and I'm excited. I can't wait to like test it out, do some donuts or whatever, but first I gotta get wheels, and then after I get wheels, then I can align the cars. I just wanna align it once everything's mint. But I'm excited to test out these Xcessive knuckles, see how they are. I got the 0 Ackerman option. I don't know if I mentioned that, so we'll see what it's like. I can already tell the steering ratio is insanely fast, but dude, I'm so excited. Also, different day, obviously. I'm beat. Yeah, I just went to the beach, so I'm like really tired. We shall see what happens next. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.